Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And teachers, I believe, are the most responsible and important members of the society because their professional efforts affect the face of the earth. A warm good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of the Naval Education Society, it's my honor and great privilege to welcome each one of you to the official virtual inauguration of CFT 2021-22. NCS Kochi takes pride in welcoming each one of the newly appointed teachers from the 13 sister schools to this induction program. One of the beauties of teaching is that there is no limit to one's growth as a teacher, just as there is no knowing beforehand how much your students can learn. Quote unquote Herbert Cohen. Teacher induction program is envisioned for the professional development of new teachers for transforming them as holistic teachers. Today's teachers are the teachers for the next generation. Their success can be ensured by providing them with a comprehensive, coherent, and sustained professional development program. The focus of our programs are to enhance competencies for effective classroom practices, to develop values and attitudes pertinent for teaching, to cultivate healthy collegiality and professional ethics among teaching community, and to inspire academic leadership and collaborative engagements. Prayer is aligning ourselves with the purpose of God. Let us invoke the blessings of Almighty with the prayer. May I now request Commander Ravi Mishra, Officer in Charge, Center for Faculty Development, Senior Staff Officer Education, Southern Naval Command, and Director NCS Kochi for the inaugural address.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Commander Ravi Mishra, Officer in Charge, Center for Faculty Development, extend my warm welcome to all the newly joined faculty members of NCS family. The CFT Kochi was commissioned in March 2019 with the sole aim of training and mentoring the teachers and non-academic staff of NCS family. I am happy to inform you that this institution, although quite young, has conducted 23 FDPs in academic year 1920 and 8 FDPs in academic year 2021. I must admit the fact that due to COVID-19 pandemic, the FDPs in academic year 2021 were conducted over the online mode. I must acknowledge the fact that the teachers of NCS span Navy. 13 NCS are there in the country. All the NCSs have got benefited immensely by the programs which have been conducted at CFD Kochi. As an education officer of Indian Navy, I must share this fact with all of you that teaching learning process is a dynamic process. You must acknowledge this fact that we have to upgrade our skills on daily basis. We cannot say that we have learned everything and we are completely satisfied and then we will continue with whatever we know. No, it is not the case. In fact, the audience, the students which are coming in front of you, they are more and more upgraded. Every year, the students who are coming in front of you are more technologically advanced. In fact, we call them digital kids nowadays. So these digital kids who are coming in front of you, you have to be more sharpened when you are dealing with these students. Therefore, CBSE also mandates that minimum 50 hours of teachers training is essential in a year. Ladies and gentlemen, you must acknowledge this fact that as a teacher, you have got such a huge responsibility on your shoulders because you are the people who are actually going to mentor and who is actually going to build the nation. The motherland is actually looking towards you with great expectations. In the end, I would like to advise all the participants to take the maximum benefit of the induction program which we are going to conduct for the newly inducted teachers in the NSS family, which is going to be there for the next 3 days. I would also urge all participants to establish yourself as excellent teachers in your respective NCS, because mind you, the most important thing and the biggest achievement which you will get as a teacher of NCS or of any school for that matter is not the salary which you get, it is the respect and recognition and the acknowledgement of the fact that you have given your 100% to the students. Believe you me, with my experience I am telling you, the students remember you because they are in the impressionable age. They remember what all you have done for them, and you have got this excellent opportunity, golden opportunity in front of you to give them maximum what you can as a teacher. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom.
दीपज्योति परब्रह्मा दीप सर्वतोमपः दीपेन साध्यते सर्वा संध्यादीप नमस्तुते. It is a light of lamp that pervades all existence. A lamp removes all darkness. It is by the lamp that one can achieve everything. O lamp that denotes transition, I bow down to you. To solemnize this special occasion and to invoke God's blessings, let us light the lamp of wisdom and knowledge.
The 3-day conclave of erudite educators with new ideas, teaching methodologies, structures, tools and technologies has been initiated today for the academic year 2021-22. Good morning to the dignitaries and the delegates. The brilliant minds from around the country have come together virtually to be a part of highbrow sessions with eminent educationists, that is, the principals from different NCSs as resource persons. Today's forenoon session is now taken by the principal of Navy Children's School Kochi, Dr. Nelly Polvagis, on the topic an overview of NES and Navy Children's Schools as centers of excellence in school education. On this momentous occasion, it is my proud privilege to introduce to you Dr. Nelly Polvagis, Principal, NCS Kochi. Madam has multiple educational credentials to her name, and she is a postgraduate in English and in education, as well as she holds an MPhil and PhD. Dr. Varghese has had an illustrious career as a renowned educationist, a goal-oriented administrator and facilitator, extending to various Army public schools, CBSE and ICSE. With an ocean of enriching experience in the field and a wide and varied professional expertise spanning more than 3 decades. She has served as the principal of Army Public School Barakpur for 15 glorious years and joined as principal of NCS Kochi in the year 2015. She has been the proud recipient of numerous recognitions, some of the notable ones being the commendation from Chief of Naval Staff and also the commendations from Army. Under Ma'am's capable tutelage, NCS Kochi has been the recipient of NES Rolling Trophy for the best academic performance in science and commerce for CBSE Class 12 exams in the previous years. Let me offer a warm welcome to Dr. Nelly Polvagis and also to the respectful audience. Now I request Ma'am to take the dais to start off with the 3-day program. There are no good schools without good principals. It just doesn't exist. And where you have good principals, great teachers come and they stay, they work hard and they grow. Thank you.